Hello everyone, I am Yu Changju, the Director of the Rehabilitation Department. Cervical spondylosis is extremely common in modern life. Our traditional Chinese massage, through techniques such as pressing, kneading, rolling, and pinching, alleviates symptoms like neck pain, dizziness, and arm numbness. When performing massage, we consider the severity of the patient's condition and individual differences.
We precisely control the strength and amount of stimulation. For instance, this patient has been working at a desk for a long time. The neck muscles are stiff, and the physiological curvature of the cervical spine has changed. So first, we use the pressing technique, applying moderate force, to press vertically on the acupoints, aiming to relax the superficial muscles. Then, we use the kneading technique to apply force into the deeper muscles, promoting local blood circulation, followed by the rolling technique. The rolling technique is like a wheel to further release muscle adhesions and relieve neck pressure.
Frozen shoulder, 50-year-old shoulder, is a type of aseptic inflammation of the tissue surrounding the shoulder joint.
Our traditional Chinese massage can unblock meridians, harmonize qi and blood, and release the adhesions around the shoulder joint, effectively alleviating pain and restricted movement. During the massage, we will constantly pay attention to your feelings to adjust the techniques and pressure. Do you feel a warm and relaxed sensation in your shoulder now? Yes, the pushing technique can promote the circulation of qi and blood. The grasping technique can relax the muscles. The kneading technique helps restore joint mobility. Various techniques are combined to help your shoulder recover more quickly. Lower back pain.
It is a problem that troubles many people. Common causes include lumbar muscle strain and herniated discs. Traditional Chinese massage, from a holistic perspective, can not only relieve tension and fatigue in the lower back muscles, but also improve local blood circulation. It can also regulate kidney function, enhancing the positive energy, Hou, and resistance of the lower back.
For patients with lower back pain, we usually start by pressing and rubbing the acupoints on the back to stimulate the conduction of vital energy. Then we use the rolling technique for deep muscle relaxation. Rubbing warms meridians, boosts circulation, dispels cold, relieves pain. Can you feel your back warming up? Yes. This is a sign of smooth meridian flow, whether it's cervical spondylosis or frozen shoulder.
Or lower back pain, we will provide you with health and hope through professional techniques and attentive service. You are welcome to experience the charm of traditional Chinese massage at any time. Let's embrace a healthy life together.